linen pants, Reformation, MS sandals, St. Bart's tote, and just a t-shirt.
First
For
floor.
morning coffee and breakfast.
That looks good on you.
Ended up going to Kith in the design district, and we just had a great lunch but also did some shopping at Kith, so I'm going to show you what we got. Okay, firstly I got this hat. It's the New York Giants hat, which I love. This was actually a gift. It is basically wool, which is perfect for New York right now. It's just going to be like a cozy little cap. On casual days, I just have like specific ways I want to wear it, but I love the wool, and I also love that it writes Kith on the back. Really cool. It's in a navy. Can't wait to wear that. I got lucky with sneakers, which I never do. I'm not very much so a sneaker person, but living in New York, I always need sneakers. So this I'm very excited to add to my little collection. Wait, these ones aren't mine. They're my fiance's, but he got the new Kith sneakers. But I thought they were mine. These have to be mine. Okay, these are from Adidas, or as you say, Adidas in America. Okay, one hand unboxing, not going the best. But these are the really cool Adidas Japan sneaker. They are so epic. Like, oh, I can't wait to wear these. I think that they are really cool, and I just love the style of them. They're very comfortable. They have the little suede at the front, true to size. They come with the black and a white lace. Probably keep it with the black laces. And then just another thing from Kith, we just got a basic white t-shirt. My fiance really likes their t-shirt, so he always just kind of stocks up every time we go. Well, I should probably start this video with saying welcome to Miami. We are in Miami for a few days. We're actually staying in Brickell this time. Today's been a busy day of like breakfast. We went shopping to the design district. We had a great lunch, but I'm back home and back at the hotel, and I actually packed my laptop because I'm heading to the roof to get some work done. That's the reality of my life. We also have some dinner reservations. We have Mediterranean tonight, which I'm very excited for. And then we are just going to enjoy the night with our friends here in Miami. So this is my fit. I'm bringing this little sweater because I don't know, I'm kind of cold in the room, but it's also like the AC is blasting. I'm just bringing it to be safe, but this is what I'm wearing. Let's head up to the roof and do some work. Outfit for dinner, first dinner in Miami. I'm wearing this little brown top. Had it for a while, can't really remember where it's from. Still here, New York jeans. My loafers are Yves Saint Laurent, and then my little Dior bag. And I'm just wearing these hoops. That's the look. And let's head out. We're going to a Mediterranean restaurant, and I want to say it's like downtown Miami, so that should be fun. Good morning. It's a new day in Miami, and I am so motivated by the weather that we are going to a morning workout at SoulCycle. My fiance is actually coming with me, which I'm very excited about. Your first time ever cycling, and also our friend Jordan is coming. So we are going to start our morning right, get a workout in and some breakfast, and honestly, like Brickell, like we have SoulCycle right across the road, so everything's right there. It's perfect. Let's get a workout in. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Good morning. We just finished our workout. We went to SoulCycle. The perfect way to start your New Year's Eve morning. Had a little workout. The workout was great. Okay, the instructor in Brickell, really good, 10 out of 10. But my fiance and we have our best friend here, Jordan.
Best friend, family,
Family.
everything, really, out here in the beautiful city of Miami.
He's from Miami, so always out tour guide in Miami. We had a great breakfast. We got some coffee, but now we're just like hanging around.
Making a left.
A left?
Making a Larry.
What are we doing? Do you want to?
We're gonna look at some athletic wear.
We're all inspired for athletic wear, so that's what we're gonna do now. I ended up getting my New Year book and I'm going to show you what I got. I just actually came down to the pool and I purchased a new book because as I was arriving to Miami on the airplane, I actually ended up finishing my current reading. So this is what I love about the Kindle. Like you can just bring it and start a new book because it's just so easy to purchase a book. I'm actually reading The One. So you can see here it is. It's called The One. It's by John Mars, and basically it's about a DNA test that matches you with the person that you're supposed to be with. Like it matches your genes together and it pairs you with the person. So it is like, I guess, a bit of a thriller. It was recommended by my sister, so I'm actually very excited to read this book. I just think it's such an interesting concept. There also is a Netflix show already, apparently, which I'm not surprised about. But I am going to indulge in this for the next few hours. Good morning, world. New day in Miami, actually officially our last day in Miami, and we just had a delicious breakfast and I had to take my laptop actually to breakfast to do some work, but I'm dropping this off back in the room and we're gonna go for a walk probably along like the water. I just want to be close to the water as much as I can before we leave.